In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render an image sequence with a write node. We'll start by adding the output node that actually saves your work to disk. With your node graph active, press the tab key, type write, and hit enter. That creates a write node. Think of it as your final checkpoint, the node that gathers everything upstream and turns it into files on your drive. Next, connect the write node to the end of your node tree. Drag from its input to the last node in your chain, the one that represents your finished composite. If you're unsure which node that is, it's usually the one feeding your viewer. The goal is simple. Make sure the write node receives the exact image you want to export. Now set the file path, select the write node and look at its properties, choose a destination folder you can easily find, then type a clear file name with a frame number placeholder like output %04D.png. That code tells the software to number each frame with 4 digits, 0001, 002, and so on, so your sequence stays in order. Use names that describe the shot or version to avoid confusion later, and make sure you have permission to write to that folder. Choose your image format. For web or quick previews, .jpg is lightweight but lossy. For high-quality stills or compositing, .png preserves transparency and detail. For professional pipelines, .exr is the standard, carrying high dynamic range and extra channels. Pick what matches your needs and the next step in your workflow. Before you render, confirm the frame range. The write node should match your timeline or the specific start and end frames you want. Double check that the first frame and last frame are correct, especially if you have handles or a custom range.